Alright guys and girls, you all asked for it, now I'm here to deliver. This is part 2 of the free side hustle tutorial. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, tap my profile and go take a look. So in part 1, we learned how to get an affiliate link. Now we're going to see what you do after you have that. Then you're going to go over to this website, Pexels.com. Royalty-free images and photographs, so you don't have to worry about any copyright problems. For this specific example, I typed in smoothies, and check out all these results. Next, you're going to go to Pinterest and create a business account. Then you're going to hit create and create pin. There's the picture I landed on. There's my Pinterest descriptions. Right down here is where we put our affiliate link. And there you have it. There's an easy way to do affiliate marketing without even showing your face. Now this is something you have to actually dedicate yourself to and be consistent with it, because the more you do it, the more chances you'll have at success. Now if this is something you really enjoy and you'd like to know how to set yourself up for long-term success, go ahead and tap the link in my profile and you'll see the exact same way I got started.